guys, this is Straight to the Point, and today I'm going to show you the quickest way to map a drive or a folder on a Windows machine. This is useful if you want to quickly transfer files between machines without getting into something like FTP. This is what I find the best way to transfer media to something like a Plex or a media server that is not running on your main machine. So here open we have this PC. To get here, click Start, this PC. So you can see here I have quite a few drives. These are my local drives. These are the drives that are physically in my machine. However, down here you can see under network drives, I have two other drives. These are the drives that are in my Plex server. They are still in the house, but they are just not in the same room as me. So how would I transfer a file without copying it onto something like a USB thumb drive and physically walking over to that other machine and moving it? In order to show you how to map a drive, I'm going to remote connect into my Plex server. This is where it gets a little bit different for everyone. This is just how I have to show you because I'm recording it. So to keep it simple, this is what you're going to do on whatever computer has the drive that you want to share to other machines on your network. So if you wanted to share, if you're currently looking at your computer and you wanted to share this local disk, you would stay on that computer and do exactly what I'm currently about to do. If you want to share another disk, you need to go to that computer or remote into it. It's your choice. So I'm going to go to my Plex server and I'm going to remote desktop connection. I'm going to connect and I'm going to make sure that you guys can see. And I'm going to go to this PC. Now you can see that these are the drives that we currently just looked at. These are the network drives. These drives currently right here are these drives right here. So you can see here by this icon, this icon means that this is a map network drive. These two little people. You can see that it's not on this one. This is the drive that I want to map. So I'm going to click on this drive. I'm going to right click and I'm going to go give access to and advanced sharing. Now you can see here that it's drive letter is F and it's not currently being shared. So, and it has no network path. That's important. So I'm going to go to advanced sharing. I'm going to click advanced sharing and I'm going to click share this folder. You can change the drive letter if you want. It's up to you. Before we leave here, we're going to go to permissions. This is also important. And under share permission for everyone, under full control, we're going to click allow and apply. We're now done here. Click apply and OK. Now you can see here under network path that we now have a path. We're going to right click that, copy it, write it down, whatever you need to do. So I'm just going to move over to the other computer and I'm going to paste it to make sure that it did indeed paste, because sometimes that's a problem. Before you leave here, go to security and under everything, under group and usernames, make sure that that drive has full control under allow. If it doesn't, go to edit and change it. But under here, it does. So we're going to close it and we're now done on that machine. Now you're going to go to whatever machine you want to see the drive on. So I'm going to go back to this machine, the one we started on, and you can see that the map drive that we just made doesn't automatically show up. So we're going to go to map network drive at the top. We're going to click map network drive again, and you can see under drive letter, you can change the drive letter. I left it F, but F is already being taken on this machine, so I'm just going to leave it X. Under folder, I'm going to right click, I'm going to go paste. And that's the drive letter path on the other machine. And I'm going to click finish. So now you can see that it just popped up. So this is the drive that we just made. It's now viewable on all machines as long as you know the drive letter path and you are on the current network. So I'm going to, if I wanted to move something over from this machine to that machine, I'm going to drag this. I'm just going to move it right onto there. And it's on there. You can now see that it's simple. Drag and drop files. It's a lot better than making a USB drive and moving it from machine to machine. So hopefully that helped. Hopefully that's simple. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll try and look at it. Thanks for watching. As always, this is Straight to the Point. If you wouldn't mind subscribing or leaving a like on this video, it'd help me out a lot. Thanks a lot for watching.